Meaning of high-strung.
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 High-strung. High-strung refers to someone who is easily agitated or nervous, often due to an intense personality or high level of stress. This term is used to describe people or animals who are prone to overreacting to situations that are not necessarily threatening or stressful. High-strung individuals may exhibit physical symptoms such as trembling, sweating, or increased heart rate. Their behavior can also be erratic, including mood swings, irritability, and impatience. Overall, being high-strung can negatively impact one's mental and physical well-being, and it is important for individuals to find ways to manage their stress levels and avoid potential triggers.